Welcome to SG Investment. Our channel is dedicated to helping you make informed decisions about your money and to guiding you on your journey towards financial success. Subscribe now and join our community of like-minded individuals on the path to financial freedom. Investment Lessons: Rich Dad's Guide to Investing by Robert Kiyosaki. Rich Dad's Guide to Investing is a book written by Robert Kiyosaki that provides readers with an overview of various investment strategies and how to apply them to their own financial situation. The book is based on the teachings and principles of Robert Kiyosaki, Rich Dad, who was a successful businessman and real estate investor. The book covers a wide range of topics related to investing, including understanding cash flow, building wealth through assets, and the power of leverage. Robert Kiyosaki also provides insight into different types of investments, such as stocks, real estate, and businesses. He encourages readers to focus on building passive income streams and to think about investments in terms of cash flow rather than appreciation. Rich Dad's Guide to Investing by Robert Kiyosaki. 10 Investment Lessons: Rich Dad's Guide to Investing by Robert Kiyosaki. 1. Invest in assets that put money in your pocket. This means identifying investments that will generate income for you, such as rental property or a small business. These types of assets can provide a steady stream of passive income, allowing you to earn money without having to actively work for it. 2. Avoid liabilities that take money out of your pocket. Liabilities are expenses that drain your finances, such as consumer debt or a large mortgage. It's important to be mindful of these types of expenses and avoid taking on too much debt, as it can limit your ability to invest in assets that generate income. 3. Understand the difference between assets and liabilities. Knowing the difference between assets and liabilities is crucial for making smart investment decisions. An asset puts money in your pocket, while a liability takes money out. By understanding this distinction, you can make decisions about how to allocate your money in a way that will help you build wealth over time. 4. Be willing to take calculated risks. Investing always involves some level of risk, and it's important to be willing to take on a certain amount of risk in order to achieve financial success. However, it's also important to be mindful of the risks involved and to make sure that you are taking calculated risks rather than impulsive or emotional ones. 5. Create multiple streams of income. Diversifying your income is a key strategy for building wealth. By having multiple streams of income, you reduce your dependence on a single source of income and increase your overall earning potential. 6. Learn to think like an entrepreneur. Entrepreneurs are constantly on the lookout for new opportunities, and they are always looking for ways to turn a profit. By developing an entrepreneurial mindset, you will be more open to new opportunities and more likely to spot potential investments that others may miss. 7. Invest in your education. Investing in your education is crucial for developing the knowledge and skills necessary to build wealth. This includes both learning about personal finance and investing, as well as developing the skills necessary to start your own business or take on other entrepreneurial ventures. 8. Be willing to work hard. Building wealth requires a lot of hard work and dedication. You will need to be willing to put in the time and effort necessary to achieve your financial goals. 9. Learn to be patient and disciplined. Building wealth takes time and patience. It's important to be disciplined in your investments and to avoid impulsive or emotional decisions. 10. Surround yourself with successful, knowledgeable people. Building a network of successful, knowledgeable people can be incredibly valuable as you build your wealth. These individuals can offer guidance and support as you navigate the world of investing and entrepreneurship. They can also open doors to new opportunities and provide valuable connections and resources. Conclusion: Rich Dad's Guide to Investing is a book written by Robert Kiyosaki that provides readers with an overview of various investment strategies and how to apply them to their own financial situation. The book covers a wide range of topics related to investing, including understanding cash flow, building wealth through assets, and the power of leverage. Robert Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of building passive income streams and thinking about investments in terms of cash flow rather than appreciation. The book provides 10 investment lessons, such as investing in assets that put money in your pocket, avoiding liabilities that take money out of your pocket, and creating multiple streams of income. Overall, the book encourages readers to think like an entrepreneur, invest in their education, be willing to take calculated risks, and surround themselves with successful, knowledgeable people to achieve financial success. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.